Over the past year, my YouTube feed has been trying to help me get over this feeling that I am completely falling behind in life. I spend too much of my time in exchange for money and don't have any systems set up where I can start making money without having to fully contribute my time. Did that make any sense? I think you get what I mean. I'm looking to create streams of passive income. And I've been watching YouTube videos from people like Ali Abdaal, Gabe Bolt, Matt Diavella, a ton of other ones. They all talk about something called productivity. Maybe you've heard of it. They seem to all be telling you to do this at this time, set up your day like this, work in scheduled blocks or periods of time, have certain times for rest. But there's something that I just recently came to realize that I don't feel like any of them are telling you. Productivity can actually be just another form of procrastination. Let me tell you what I mean. Basically, when you look around and try to find all the best systems from all the greatest minds in productivity, you end up following no system in particular. Profound, right? I know. You got one person telling you that you need to schedule these deep work blocks into your day, and then there's someone else telling you that you just gotta go with the flow and have an energy-based schedule. And then somebody else says, just write down one thing that you're grateful for every day, one thing that went well, one thing that could have gone better. And someone else is telling you that you need to make a journal entry for each day. You need to have a weekly review. You need to have a quarterly plan. Don't get me wrong, like all these can be good, but you can't do all of them at once. In my own experience, I have found all these really nice plans online, and I've even worked through a number of them. But the thing is, like, I see the one plan, I get that all worked out, and then in the meantime that I've been doing that, I run into another video that gives me another plan that seems equally as valid, and it probably is, but I get stuck in this pattern where I just keep planning and never executing. It's like I keep refining on the idea of what I want to eventually do, but then I never get to the point of actually doing it. I feel like I'm making progress, which, like, I guess, like, on a very technical level, maybe I am, because I'm setting out to do something and I am getting it done, but that thing is just like planning for something that's much greater that I really want to achieve, and that's what I want to get to, and I never get to that. It's kind of like thinking about how I want to do the work feels like actually doing the work without having the risk of doing it wrong. So something that has helped me get over this is just a super simple saying. Wrote it right in the front of my journal. Winners have failed more than losers have ever even tried. That's inspirational, right? Don't worry about doing something wrong. Try it, fail, and learn from it. And then the thing that got me to finally take action is super duper simple. I just like how it sounds. It's this one right here. Ready, fire, aim. I've prepared, now I'm taking a shot, and once I see what the results of that are, I'm going to correct it, aim, and try again. If you're getting value from this productivity advice video, can you give it a thumbs up so that my channel can start reaching more people? Thank you. Just to be super clear, this is a product placement? This stuff is great. Where can you get this? Grapefruit, so good. It could be a product placement. I'm gonna put it away. Just to be super clear, I want to point out that productivity YouTubers aren't the problem. The issue is that the algorithm rewards novelty, and it's always looking for the next thing that you're going to enjoy watching. It could be that all the information that all these different people are giving you is perfect information. The problem is you can't live by 5 other people's priorities all at once. At some point, consuming too much advice is going to replace just trusting yourself. So if you're gonna take advice from somebody online, pick like one person, maybe 2, and then test things out for yourself. See how you feel about the advice that they're giving. See how it can apply to your life, and then use your best judgment on how to move forward. Another way that you can avoid jumping from one advisor to the next, to the next, to the next, would be to give yourself a minimum time limit in which you're going to look at this one creator's advice, try to apply it to your life, and don't look outside of that person's advice for a certain amount of time. Like if you're gonna follow something from Ali Abdaal, do it for a month, 2 months, and don't look at what anybody else is telling you to do. See how his advice can really work in your own life. If after that period of time it doesn't seem to be working out, then move on to somebody else, because then you've given his advice a fair shake. You've allowed enough time to really internalize what you're being suggested to determine if they're the ones that are going to really work for you. If they don't, and you still want more advice, find a new mentor. But just don't jump from one person to the next every other day. Productivity advice can be super useful up to the point where it helps you avoid making the actual decisions that really matter. At that point, it's just another form of procrastination. See ya.